Today we are exploring a word that sounds unusual but has a fascinating history: algorithm. It refers to the old method of doing arithmetic with Hindu-Arabic numerals, the digits we use every day. Long before calculators, people needed a clear system for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. This lesson will show how that system changed the way the world computes. The word algorithm comes from the name of the mathematician Al-Khwarizmi, whose work helped spread numerical methods across the world. Over time, the word came to mean arithmetic done with written digits rather than with counting tools. That made calculations more systematic and easier to teach. In other words, algorithm is about using symbols and rules to compute accurately. Before modern calculators, people relied on methods like counting boards, abacuses, and handwritten procedures. Algorithm became important because it allowed people to calculate directly on paper using place value. That was a major breakthrough because it made large numbers much easier to handle. It also helped merchants, astronomers, and engineers work more efficiently. Algorithm is based on step-by-step procedures for arithmetic. You line up numbers by place value, then apply rules for carrying, borrowing, multiplying, or dividing. The process is logical and repeatable, which is why it became so powerful. Once you learn the method, you can solve many different problems in a reliable way. Algorithm matters because it helped standardize arithmetic across cultures and centuries. It made mathematics more practical for everyday life, from commerce to navigation. It also laid part of the foundation for later computational thinking. In a sense, it is one of the ancestors of the way we calculate today. So, what is an algorithm? It is the historical method of doing arithmetic with written digits and clear rules. It helped transform calculation from a manual, tool-based activity into a more universal system. If you remember one idea, remember this: algorithm is the bridge between ancient counting and modern arithmetic.